So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invert an image here on easel. So the first thing you have to do is once you have the easel application opened up is to go to the images tab on the right hand side of your screen, right in between video and text, and press on it. I'm going to go to where it says my images and just do stock images for demonstration. Then I'm going to scroll down to this photo right here of what appears to be like a European city. Looks beautiful actually. I wonder where this is, but anyways, getting back to what we were doing here, we want to invert this image. So to invert the image, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here and go to the top to where it says flip vertically. Right beside that it says effects. Press on effects right here. Then where it says invert right here, so go scroll down to where it says brightness, contrast, invert. By default, it actually isn't inverted, but if you were to go ahead and press this and check it to make it blue, it is now inverted, just like that. So you can undo it, you can do it again, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it and get creative, do whatever you have to do. But pretty much that is how you guys can invert an image here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.